My name is Dr. Ibrahim Jatta, and I am a hormone replacement therapy specialist here at Valley Medical Weight Loss. After you have your hormone replacement therapy in a pellet form, it may take 3, 7, or even 10 days before you can notice a significant in terms of hormonal optimization. However, though, in 4 weeks, you should definitely feel some effect of hormones in the system. The type of hormones that we use in a hormone replacement therapy in the pellet form are testosterone and estradiol. Those are the two main ones. Though we also give patients progesterone orally. We can also give them DHEA orally as well. But for the pellet, it's testosterone and estradiol at this point. Yes, there's always a lifestyle, dietary factors to help us all to optimize our hormone replacement therapy, and two major ones are definitely exercise and eat right. And we always recommend patients to definitely exercise after they have their hormone replacement therapy. Actually takes somewhat around 10, 15 to 20 minutes for female. Now for male patients, it can definitely take up to 30 minutes. You will know if you are a candidate basically if you are post-menopausal and you do present with symptoms of hot flash, night sweat, heart discomfort issues, because insomnia, also you become more depressed, anxiety may be another factor, irritability also a possibility there. However, though, fatigue, exhaustion, you feel like you're losing your mind, you also have a low libido going on for you, issues with vaginal dryness, issues with bladder issues as well, muscle and joint discomfort, all can be a symptom of deficiency in hormones. Okay, so we provide a free 15 minutes hormone replacement therapy consultation where you fill all the check boxes and you visit with the doctor for at least 15 minutes, and so we can potentially evaluate you and hopefully you will be a candidate for a hormone replacement therapy.